How to be more confident as a leader. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash all those buttons, whatever it is. And we'll turn this one into a podcast. How to be more confident as a leader. I think you need to put yourself in more leadership situations of having a lot of leadership is having good conversations, but a lot of it is like having hard conversations and holding people to a line that they aren't used to being held to, because the only thing that creates a really, really good company is really good leadership and holding really, really high standards. Like that's all. And so with that being said, it's having hard conversations about these are not our values and doing that over and over again and only way we ever get better at anything is just repetition, like across the board. And I know that's not what you want to hear, but putting yourself in those type of situations. And like, so if you're really uncomfortable, I think Toastmasters is like $200 a year, and that'll get you used to speaking in front of people. And then to get better as a leader, you just need to talk to your people a lot more. Know what makes them tick. I do have a leadership course that I will shamelessly plug that'll give you a whole bunch of different tips on casting a vision and talking to your people. And we'll include that link in these show notes. Well, in the comment section or some shit. But to get more confident as a leader, you need more reps. Put yourself in more situations. If you're a real estate investor or anything else, I always tell people like you need to get used to like having conversations with your VAs. And then I think the hardest part for me is having those really shitty business conversations. And so when you have to fire someone, get used to it. When someone's not holding the line that you like set and like, hey, we need to pick it up and like have that conversation. And then when someone's having a rough day, call them up. Hey, what's going on? How can I help? What do you need? Doing all those things repetitively is the only thing that's going to make you more confident as a leader. I don't know any. And reading more books on leadership. And I have a couple of YouTube videos on like the best leadership books. Another good one's like Extreme Ownership. But the only thing that's going to make you more comfortable, especially in leadership, is more reps. Because if you aren't in front of your team all the time and talking all the time, it's going to be really, really hard. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good shit. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this winning family.